The forthcoming 2026 Toyota HiAce continues Toyota's tradition of building robust, reliable commercial vans while adding a more modern driving experience. In this latest iteration, Toyota appears to lean deeper into comfort and refinement without sacrificing the HiAce's functional DNA. This balance makes it particularly appealing to both fleet operators and private buyers who want a durable people mover or cargo hauler. From the exterior, the 2026 HiAce carries forward its upright, practical silhouette but integrates sharper aerodynamic cues. Slimmer LED headlights and a more sculpted front fascia give it a cleaner, more contemporary presence on the road. Despite its utilitarian roots, it manages to look more premium than past generations. The body proportions remain boxy for maximized cabin space, but subtle curves and smoothed edges help reduce wind resistance. This contributes not only to a quieter ride but also marginally improved fuel efficiency. Toyota has clearly focused on elevating the van's visual appeal without undermining its practicality. Inside, the cabin marks one of the most noticeable upgrades. The dashboard adopts a more car-like layout with soft-touch materials and improved ergonomics. Drivers will appreciate the elevated driving position and clearer sightlines, making long hours behind the wheel more bearable. Overall, the interior feels more inviting and less industrial. Technology also steps up with a larger touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connectivity is a key focus, and Toyota seems determined to ensure the HiAce keeps up with modern expectations. USB-C charging ports, improved Bluetooth stability, and optional Wi-Fi connectivity round out the package. Seating comfort improves as well, with redesigned cushions providing better lumbar support. In passenger variants, the second and third rows benefit from more generous legroom. Toyota appears to have listened to owners who previously found the HiAce's seating slightly firm on long journeys. Cargo-focused models maintain configurable load spaces, with reinforced flooring and upgraded tie-down points. The rear sliding doors continue to be wide and accommodating, making loading and unloading straightforward even in tight spaces. The HiAce's reputation for versatility remains intact. Under the hood, the 2026 HiAce reportedly offers updated diesel and hybrid powertrain options. The diesel engine aims to deliver strong torque for heavy loads, while the hybrid option targets businesses looking to reduce running costs and emissions. Both promise improvements in fuel efficiency compared to earlier models. Performance feels smoother thanks to revised suspension tuning. Toyota seems to have addressed past complaints about stiffness by softening low-speed ride quality without compromising high-speed stability. For a large van, the HiAce handles predictably and confidently. Noise insulation has also been enhanced. Engine drone, road noise, and wind intrusion are noticeably reduced, helping the cabin feel more refined. This refinement marks a significant improvement, especially for users planning long-distance travel. Steering remains light and user-friendly, which is essential in urban environments. The turning radius is surprisingly tight for a vehicle of this size, making parking and maneuvering less stressful for drivers of all skill levels. Safety receives a major upgrade with Toyota Safety Sense as standard on most trims. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring help bring the HiAce closer in line with modern SUVs and crossovers. It's clear Toyota wants safety to be a selling point rather than an afterthought. Passenger variants gain additional airbag coverage and improved structural rigidity. This gives peace of mind not only to commercial operators but also to families and transport services using the HiAce for daily commuting or tourism purposes. Fuel economy improvements, particularly in the hybrid variant, help reduce operational costs. Toyota's hybrid systems are known for their durability, which should appeal to fleet buyers wanting long-term savings and reliability. Lower emissions also make the van more appealing in regions with strict environmental regulations. Maintenance intervals remain generous, and Toyota's global service network ensures support almost anywhere. Reliability has always been a HiAce hallmark, and early indicators suggest the 2026 model continues this legacy. For businesses that rely heavily on uptime, this is crucial. The driving experience feels more car-like than ever. Acceleration is smoother, and gear transitions in automatic variants are less noticeable. Even when fully loaded, the van maintains a composed demeanor, which enhances driver confidence. Market positioning for the 2026 HiAce seems to target both traditional commercial buyers and lifestyle-focused users. Its blend of practicality and refinement appeals to campers, shuttle services, and families needing large-capacity transport. Toyota is clearly expanding its audience. Customization options continue to be strong. Buyers can choose layouts suited for cargo, commuters, or adventure-ready conversions. This flexibility reinforces the HiAce's long-standing reputation as a platform capable of serving many different industries. Overall, the 2026 Toyota HiAce feels like a thoughtful evolution rather than a radical redesign. Toyota improves comfort, technology, and efficiency while preserving the durability and spaciousness that made the model iconic. For anyone needing a dependable, feature-rich van, the 2026 HiAce stands out as one of the most balanced options in its segment. It successfully bridges the gap between commercial practicality and modern comfort, an achievement few vans manage elegantly.